All right, Brenda, time to get off a trailer. Go earn your keep. Okay, we are headed out south of town. Slightly to the south.
Southeast, maybe.
It's definitely east. Anyway, east of town, you have a place called Diamond Mountain Speedway, Diamond Mountain Complex. Anyway, drag strip, shortening track, car stuff, dirt bike track. Anyway, we have got a phone call. There's somebody clear up way north of that. I don't know what you'd call it. Anyway, they're up there, side by side, busted a ball joint, something or another. Getting shop call, and we are loaded up, headed that way, right now. And we have water.
Yes.
We have tools.
Yeah.
We have gas. Well, in the side by side. Truck.
Not so much.
Truck. Not so much. But, hey, we're doing better than normal. And did you see the special guest behind us that's going on a recovery today? Yeah. So, anyway, it took us very long. I don't think I've said that before. Anyway, Randy and I better go see if we can't be this man saving grace.
No, yeah.
And get his butt back where it belongs. So after further notice, after I put the guy's pin in my phone where he's at, it was way quicker for us to go to what we call here locally the Honda Hills and unload there and try to cut across than it would be to go to the dump. It was way farther cross country to come over this way. So hopefully
Hey, you never put your
it's a decent deal.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home. Honey does it well, keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, get over heels, feels like this. The sun has got me on my track, I ain't never looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back.
We gotta say,
Yeah.
Well, the shop is like, I don't know,
down there somewhere.
10-12 miles that way. Anyway, he has a came out of the AR came out of the top of the hub. So we'll jack him up, put it back together. Don't get bit, get rabies, then we should be good.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, we just need to get the jack it up, and pretty simple. Just pick it up, Randy. It's just an
I
800.
know, I already tried that. He might get a little further than I did.
Gonna have to roll that whole thing. Probably have to loosen out that bolt. Yeah, we'll loosen that bolt and we can just drop it right there. Oh. You grab my handy dandy Dora fanny pack.
Ooh, ain't looking back. Ain't looking back.
Is it fixed? No. Will it get you out?
Yeah.
Yes, it should get you out.
Slowly, but it'll
So-
get us out.
We're gonna take the 800 and mob it back down towards Honda Hills. Nice and slow, because that's the only bolt we got. Not another one, and half of it's gone. So let's mosey, boys. Randy, go do the camera. Anyway, the 800's out. We're back to the highway. He lives right over here, and we're out here. Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
That was an easy job. We like those.
In and out, yeah, it's not bad.
I'm gonna have to put a little more diverse bolts in the old bolt man.
Yeah.
But yeah, it seriously was easy though.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing but a thing.
Appreciate you, Anarchy. Awesome job.